How do I get a trustworthy second opinion on HVAC repairs? Get a written diagnosis and estimate from a separate, licensed heating and cooling contractor who has no connection to the first company. Start by collecting the first contractor's written diagnosis, proposed repair, equipment model number, and estimate. But do not share your opinion about what you think is wrong. Ask the second contractor to inspect the system independently and explain the problem in plain language. Confirm that the contractor is properly licensed, insured, and experienced with your type of equipment. Check several recent reviews, ask for local references, and look for complaints involving unnecessary repairs or repeated service calls. Request a written report that identifies the failed part, explains how the technician tested it, and states whether repair or replacement is recommended. A useful question is, what test result proves this part has failed? Because a trustworthy technician should be able to show or explain the evidence. Ask whether there are safer or less expensive repair options, how long each option should last, and whether labor and parts have warranties. One detail many homeowners miss is that refrigerant problems can sometimes come from a leak, so simply adding refrigerant may hide the real issue instead of fixing it. Do not choose the second contractor only because the price is lower, because a cheap estimate may leave out labor, permits, disposal, or needed parts. Compare complete written estimates instead. Do not let anyone pressure you into replacing the entire system without showing test results and explaining its age, efficiency, repair history, and remaining life. Ask for time to review the information. Also, do not rely only on online star ratings, since reviews can be incomplete or misleading. Verify licensing, insurance, warranty terms, and references before approving work. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.